So you guys, welcome back to this video. Sorry, my toes are right there. But, ooh. Yeah, don't worry about the toys. Don't even think about it. He's so hard to catch, bro. And this is his first time barely coming out to the kitchen, bro. Oh my gosh, I need to get him back to his jaula. Like, to his, sorry! Okay, that could be easy to catch him without him seeing my hand. Pepe, what you doing, boy? What you doing? He almost got him. I was almost too smart. I don't know why he's screaming for it. He's so hard to catch. Pepe, you need to go to sleep. He's just too hard. Okay, that could be the easy place to get him, bro. I got you. Ah! Help me! Wait. The birds. It's okay, Pepe. It's okay. So hard to get Pepe, bro. So you guys, I got Pepe. Time to go into your home. Time to go into your home. Let me get. I wanna. Mami, ¿le quieres dar un besito antes que se vaya? Look at him, he's so cute. Okay, bye. Better be comfortable. Night night.